Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, March 18th. A weak clipper system is moving through the Mid-Atlantic region at this hour. There are some scattered snow showers, maybe some mixed rain in some spots. Any of the next few hours, going into the midday hours, there can be a scattered rain or snow shower across Philadelphia, D.C., really anywhere from southern Pennsylvania down to the D.C., Delmarva Peninsula, southern New Jersey area. Again, nothing heavy expected here, but there certainly can be some snow in some areas during the latter part of the morning into the midday hours. Here's the location of that clipper system as of early this morning. Again, the extent of the precipitation is basically here on the north side and down in this region right in here on the south side. So from southern Pennsylvania across to southern New Jersey and then D.C. all the way to the Delmarva Peninsula, scattered rain and snow showers. We'll take a look at the radar in a moment. Once that passes on by to the east, high pressure takes on control here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and it looks like it'll control the weather from later today right through midweek, and then a frontal system could cause some showers on Thursday. Meanwhile, out west right now, relatively dry, but there'll be another storm system moving into at least the northern half of California over the next couple of days. Well, here's the latest radar loop, and again, there are some scattered snow showers out there. It looks like this batch right to the west of Washington certainly can result in some scattered rain or snow showers in the D.C. metro region. This batch right here in south central Pennsylvania, headed basically due east, could arrive in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, the Philly metro region later this morning into the midday hours. Temperatures right now are at or slightly below freezing, should climb a couple of degrees over the next couple of hours. Any snow that falls is likely to melt on the roadways, certainly can stick a little bit on the grass, but overall little or no accumulations expected. But again, this is all associated with that clipper system moving on through right now over the next few hours here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, before we take a look at last night's GFS model run at the surface forecast maps, let's look at the 5-day average for 850 millibar temperature anomalies here. This is the current 5-day period, days 1 to 5. Certainly cold weather, not only today, but right through midweek will be below normal here in the eastern part of the nation, and that generally results in high temperatures confined to the 40s in the I-95 corridor for this particular time of the year. But again, certainly a cold start to the work week. There is warmer weather headed our way, however, for the latter part of the week. In fact, let's now go to days 6 to 10. And here we go. This is days 6 to 10 outlook for 850 millibar temperature anomalies. These maps, by the way, from tropicaltidbits.com from the 6Z ensemble run of the GFS. Cold air mass still exists on average during this 5-day period across the northeastern part of the nation, specifically New England. But notice a lot of above normal temperatures in the north central part of the nation. And indeed, we'll probably get to about 60 degrees by the weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region, perhaps up in the 60s by, let's say, Sunday here in the Mid-Atlantic region. There certainly will be some more cold shots, so this is not going to be the end of winter-like cold. It looks like there can be occasional cold shots over the next couple of weeks, even perhaps going into the early part of April here. So nothing really consistent. Not quite ready to say that's it, no more cold shots. We do appear to have some more cold shots coming our way over the next few weeks. Well, let's walk through the 6Z GFS model run here. A little bit of precipitation depicted here early this morning by the GFS, and we saw a little bit more than that actually in reality, according to the radar loop, all the way from southern Pennsylvania down to central Virginia and eastward to the Delmarva Peninsula, southern New Jersey. A threat for scattered snow or rain showers over the next several hours. That then pulls on by, and the high pressure takes control. In fact, let's keep moving forward here. There's that clipper system by later on tonight off the east coast, and then high pressure kicks in. Looks like generally dry conditions from tonight right through Wednesday, and then we'll have to watch for a frontal system here now. By Wednesday morning, this front will be approaching from the north and west here. Wednesday evening, basically colder air mass dropping into the northeastern quadrant of the nation here, and there can be some showers late Wednesday night going into the day on Thursday. then a cold air mass certainly settles into the northeastern part of the nation, even into the mid-Atlantic region here by the end of the work week going into the early part of the weekend. This is quite an impressive look to a cold shot here by latter part of the work week going into the weekend, especially up across New England. Again, the colder than normal air expected here by the end of the week. And then the weekend itself starts off cold on Saturday, still some northerly flow, but by Sunday it looks like high pressure takes control, and we could have quite a warm-up by the second half of the weekend, maybe to 60 degrees in the I-95 corridor region. So kind of a bouncing back and forth between colder than normal weather and warmer than normal weather. Again, right now, over the next several hours, the latter part of the morning into the midday, scattered snow and rain showers in the mid-Atlantic region from a weak Clipper system. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.